As a result of the SciTech-CGTech partnership, Vericut can connect to CNC machines via SciTech's data exchange machine monitoring software. This enables users to monitor what their CNC machines are doing and how they are functioning in the shop. Connect Vericut to your real machine with the click of a button. CNC machine monitoring continually updates the connected Vericut session with the CNC machine's axis positions, active NC program, tool and work offsets, cutting tool in use, and a wealth of information about how the machine is behaving and performing. CNC machine monitoring helps answer questions like, is the machine running or stopped? If stopped, why? Which part program tool is running, and what part of the NC program is being executed? Are the spindle speeds and feed rates running at 100% of programmed values or being overridden? How much longer until my part is finished? See spindle or feed rate adjustments on the controller immediately displayed in Vericut. Identify overrides or emergency stops as they happen in real time. CGTech's Vericut works with SciTech's data exchange software to achieve high-accuracy digital twins of CNC machines on your shop floor. As a result of the SciTech-CGTech partnership, Vericut can connect to CNC machines via SciTech's data exchange machine monitoring software. Vericut has expanded on the CNC Machine Connect module to include a standalone CNC PreCheck application. The CNC PreCheck application can be used on shop floor computers or Windows tablets next to the CNC machine to compare setup information in the CNC machine to the corresponding settings in your Vericut simulation. By ensuring these settings match as closely as possible, users can avoid unpleasant surprises from occurring in the shop. Before pressing Cycle Start, use the CNC PreCheck app to act as a quick go, no-go gauge to verify the real setup on the machine matches what was simulated in Vericut. For additional information about the PreCheck capabilities, see the CNC Machine Connect video. As a result of the SciTech-CGTech partnership, Vericut can connect to CNC machines via SciTech's data exchange software. The CNC Machine Connect module gives users the ability to connect with and utilize the data from CNC machines on the shop floor in your Vericut virtual machine. Answer questions like, did the shop have the correct NC program and subroutines? Are the cutting tools in the machine set to correct lengths? Did my feed rates and spindle speeds work, or were they modified? Were there any e-stops? Also available is Vericut's standalone CNC PreCheck module. This application can be used on shop floor computers or Windows tablets next to the CNC machine to compare important setup information to the corresponding settings in your Vericut simulation. If differences are found using CNC PreCheck, the NC programmer can investigate further. Indicator lights clearly highlight when machine data matches Vericut or not. Compare the NC program from Vericut to the NC program in the real machine. The comparison shows a revision that is not in the CNC machine. The comparison also shows a missing section of G-code. Identify tool length differences between Vericut and the tools on CNC machine. Automatically update the tool lengths in Vericut to match the real machine. The Vericut simulation is run with data from the CNC machine to see if there are any differences. In this case, we see using the real tool lengths from the machine will cause an error. CGTech's Vericut works with SciTech's data exchange software to achieve high-accuracy digital twins of CNC machines on your shop floor. In Vericut 9.4, Vericut's tool data containing industry-recommended cutting data such as spindle speeds, feed rates, cutting limits, and more is available to support regular and micro tools that machine a wide range of stock materials. Cutting values provided are for the current stock material, so start by selecting the material. In our case, it's 420 stainless steel. For proper feed speed handling, ensure cutters have the correct number of teeth, type of cutter, material, and edge type defined. With just one click, the Provide Default Tool Data option automatically provides cutting data for all cutters or insert tools capable of using Vericut's stock material records. Let's look at Tool 1, a 25mm solid end mill. Notice the operation method is rough, and cutting limit source indicates these values are from Vericut's tool data. If Vericut tool data isn't available for a cutter stock material combination, then default values are provided. Starting optimization settings are also provided. Default tool data acts like stock material records used to verify cutting and optimization. However, default data cannot be modified. To customize, for example to choose values for finish operation methods, simply add a stock material record, then modify as desired. But for our case, we'll activate the default data for roughing. With default tool data and Vericut's tool data, you're ready to verify and optimize cutting within recommended range limits. For more information about Vericut tool data and default tool data, see the Vericut help. In Vericut 9.4, all users benefit from enhancements that streamline optimization. Assuming cutters' inserts are properly defined, with the correct number of teeth or inserts, type of cutter, cutter material, and edge type, optimizing is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Choose a stock material from Vericut's stock material catalog. Choosing a material from the catalog also provides access to Vericut's tool data. You'll hear more about that in a minute. If your tools were imported with vendor-supplied cutting data, such as from Coro Plus Tool Library, Machining Cloud, TDM, and other popular tooling sources, they may already have stock material records and be ready to optimize. But if not, Step 2. Choose the Provide Default Tool Data option. Vericut automatically provides cutting data for all cutters and insert tools known to be used in the current stock material. The cutting limit source indicates when default values are from Vericut's tool data. By default, Vericut tool data is provided for rough operation methods. Vericut tool data is also available for finish operation methods by adding a new stock material record, then modifying as desired. If Vericut tool data isn't available for a particular cutter stock material combination, then default values are provided and optimization is limited to reducing time for air cuts only. Colored icons that look like these let you know you are ready for Step 3, Optimize. In 3 easy steps, we just optimized a roughing NC program using conservative feeds and speeds and realized some great savings. Customizing stock material records is also easier, thanks to streamlined optimize options and optimization limits that can be used in any combination. For more information about optimizing in Vericut, see the Vericut help. As a result of the Tools United CG Tech partnership, Vericut users can directly read 3D tool assemblies and cutting data from Tools United and use them in Vericut. The Tools United to Vericut interface provides access to over 40 tooling vendors that contribute to the Tools United application. A complete set of 3D cutting tool assemblies are quickly and easily transferred from Tools United to Vericut. Along with Vericut's other tooling interfaces, creating your virtual tool library has never been easier. To utilize tools from Tools United, open Vericut's Tool Manager. Then, from the Import ribbon, launch the Tools United interface. Select the tool data previously output from Tools United. The tools and their cutting data are read into Vericut's Tool Manager. As we look at each of the tools in Tool Manager, we see the same geometry and detail as seen in Tools United. Now we run the simulation. You are now simulating your job in Vericut using accurate 3D geometry of tool assemblies from the Tools United application. Tool Manager in Vericut 9.4 includes a Tool Performance Database, TPD, that suggests starting spindle speed and feed rate values to use with cutters in a wide range of stock materials. This data works with Machining Optimization Data, MOD, in Vericut's Tool Manager. MOD displays a table of spindle speeds and feed rates that helps programmers achieve desired cutting conditions. For more information on the Tool Performance Database and Machining Optimization Data, see the Vericut Help